Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Rupi. Now, if you like this type of content, please make sure you give me a like and a subscribe and put your notifications on so that you know when I'm coming on next. Okay, today we're going to look at, how to find your niche. Now, the best way is really, think about something that you really enjoy or that you're passionate about, or it could be a hobby. What is it that you want to provide for people? Or what is it that you want to be working in, what particular niche? Now, the three top niches are health, wealth, and relationships. They are the top three money-making niches as such. Then you go into each one and you're going to look for a sub-niche, okay, a sub-niche. So if you're not too sure, all you've got to do is go to Google and type it in. So I'm going to share my screen now and show you how you can do that. So just bear with me 1 second. We'll just share the screen. Okay. So just wait for that to come up. Here we go. All right, so I hope you can all see that. So basically, I just went in there and typed in, sub niches in health, and this is what comes up. And as you can see, as you go down, then an example of a sub niche. So if you want to know, maybe you choose a particular section of health, because health is very broad. So you want to narrow it down, be more specific. And this comes up. So basically a sub niche, for example, it gives you here, weight loss, okay? But you can then target maybe women who've just had babies, for example. That's really a sub niche. There's many other niches here. If you have a look, scroll down, and this is still all on Google. So there's digestive health or the healthy gut. There's weight loss, anti-aging, diabetes. There's so much there. Skincare. And you can go keep looking. So you can choose a sub niche by audience, or it says here you can be choosing a sub niche by product or service maybe. And the third method is, you create your own niche of one as such. So you can, you might have a skill, something that you're really good at. Maybe you're good at creating, I don't know, digital products, for example. You can be creating digital products, which you can then, market out to people and make money. Interest, as it says, what are you passionate about? So you could be a dog sitter. So I love dogs, as I said in a previous video. I love dogs. So maybe, if you're a dog sitter, you might be using certain products that you might want to, that you might affiliate with. And therefore, you can actually get that out to other dog owners, or it could be other pet sitters, and you'll be promoting that to them. So that would be, your sub niche, and a profitable niche to do. So go check Google, because there's plenty, as you see on there. You just need to type it in, and that's the easiest way to actually go search your, for a niche maybe that you're interested in, and then put in a sub niche and have a look and see what, what grabs your attention. What is it that you really would like to share with your audience? And that's what you do. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. I'll just stop sharing the screen here. Let's stop sharing. Okay, yep, I'm back. So anyway, give it a go. Have a look on Google. That's the best way to do it. Also, pop a comment down below if you would like to. And if you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, then please go check my links in the description. And I hope to see you on the inside. Okay, don't forget to give me a like, a follow, and subscribe if you would like to see more of this type of content. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.